In today's video, we are going to be putting Garnier's Olia hair color to the test. This product says it has natural flower oils and no ammonia. With that being said, will it cover my gray? Let's try it out. Okay guys, so here we are. This is the box of Garnier Olia, brilliant color, visibly healthier hair. That's what it says. It says it has 60% oils and no ammonia. What's included, you ask? Basically everything. Everything you're going to need to go ahead and dye your hair. You're going to have the colorant, the developer, a really rich and creamy conditioner, the gloves, and the instructions. If you've never done this before, very simple. Remove the cap, add the colorant to the developer, give it a good shake, and voila. Here you have your hair product. Go ahead and add it to wherever it is that you want to dye. As you can see here, I'm just adding it to my roots. The instructions suggested I process for 30 minutes, and that's exactly what I did. Keep in mind, one box was able to cover just my roots on my entire head. If you have long hair or just more hair surface that needs to be colored, you're definitely going to need more than one box. But at approximately $8 a box, it's a lot cheaper than getting it done at the salon if you can manage to achieve that color that you like. And here we are, more than 30 minutes later. I've washed it out. I went ahead and blow dried it, and you can see that it completely covered my gray. I am so satisfied with this look, so satisfied. This product has literally delivered everything that it said it would, and I am very thrilled with it. So the question of the hour is, would I continue to use Garnier Olia as a hair product? And the answer is, yes, I would. I was very happy with this product. It was super gentle on the hair. I had very little hair loss, which was a huge concern for me, considering in the past I've had many issues with hair loss. So that was definitely a huge concern. It includes everything you need in the nice little package. It's got the gloves, the color, the developer. It has a really nice, rich and creamy hair conditioner, which was an added bonus because sometimes you got to go out and buy a different type of conditioner for after. So I was actually very happy with the conditioner that it included. And one of the top main things for me also was fading. I have used this product more than once now. This is my third time using it. And it does not fade. So that was wonderful because being that it is ammonia free, gentle on the hair, and made with oils, natural oils, I thought maybe it won't be long lasting. But I gotta say, it absolutely was. And like I said, this is my third time using it. So it is and has been long lasting. So there you have it, guys. That was my honest review on Garnier's Olia Brilliant Hair Color. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it informative and it gave you all the information that you were looking for in regards to this product. If this is something that you think you could share it with your friends, your family, anybody who's interested in this kind of information. Remember, things are not cheap. We as consumers need to know what we're getting into before we just go off buying products. That's it for today, guys. See you at the next video. Bye-bye.